So as you can see, right now I have a position on Bybit. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am the Wolf officially, and yeah, this is my first video, my face reveal. And right now I am in my college in a very lonely place, so I cannot shoot much. So this is my first face cam video and I'm very nervous. I'm just looking at the screen right now. So I just wanted to show you my trading updates right now, my trade updates. And also I'm very nervous right now, so I can't speak English also. So right now, as the Bitcoin price broke heavily, exactly as I told you, to this yellow horizontal line, and now it is making a support at this yellow horizontal line at $26,000. And if it breaks down this, then it can heavily go down all the way up to $24,700. But as you guys already know, I was already in a short position right now. But I guess there has to be a reversal to the upside, because after a huge breakout or a breakdown there's always a retest, and also it also created a gap also. To fill that, it has to go up. So what I did is, if I switch over to my Bybit account, so as you can see, right now I have a position on Bybit, $270 in profits. And if you see clearly, I have three conditional limit orders right now at 25,890, 25,200, and 25,584. So what will happen is, if the price goes down on these three main price specific prices, my 10% short positions will already um, will will be closed accordingly, and I will book 30% of my profits right there, because I know the price has to go up. And the rest, and already I booked 50% of my profits, so the rest 20% of my trade will, I guess, will be stopped out, because I know it has to be go out for a retest. And guys, if you also want to trade on Bybit, if you go below this video's description, you will find a link to the best crypto exchanges that I use, and also in that there is one link of Bybit. You can get $30,000 for free deposit bonus if you just create an account with the link in description. So do not forget to create an account right now. And let me switch back to the main camera. Okay, so this will be a short video, because I'm very nervous and already I'm outside and not in my setup right now. So yeah, this was a quick update of my Bitcoin short trade, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, peace.